knocked the door. Hyang, June coldly, come inside, Yoongi. Yoongi came inside. Hyang, you called me, said nervously. June looked at him while holding a book. Yoongi, shivering from inside. What happened, Hyang? June, how's your study going? Yoongi, good. June, how's going everything? Yoongi, everything is going good, Hyang. June, are you comfortable in this school? Yoongi, June, have you completed your previous work? Yoongi, yes, Hyang, I completed all my work. Should I bring my notebooks? Yoongi, no, I don't need to check. I trust you. If you have any problem, then you can tell me anything. Time, you know my cabin, right? Yoongi, yes, Hyang. June, is there something that is bothering you? Yoongi, no, Hyang. June, teachers and students are good. Is anyone trying to tease you? Yoongi, no, Hyang, everything is fine. June, are you sure? Yoongi, yes, I'm sure, but why are you asking? Is anyone complained about me to you? June, nobody knows that you are my brother, so why does anyone complain about you to me? Yoongi, you were asking so many questions, so I thought. June, this school is new for you. I wanna assure your comfort. Yoongi, I'm fine there. Can I go now? June, Yoongi, you little chick, give me back my ball. Jimin, running with ball. Minish, please, you're playing. Yoongi, go inside and play. Cook, we won't go anywhere. Ginny should play outside. Yoongi, now what did you break? Cook, Cookie didn't break anything. Titi broke Ginny's wash. Titi didn't break anything. That wash was so weak. Ginny didn't give it food, so it fall and break. Titi's ball only went to talk with it. Titi doesn't have Juni power. Then how can Titi break anything? Yoongi, in mind, he is Jun Hyang's younger version. In presence of him and Jun Hyang, nothing can save in our house. One day they both break entire house. Jimin kicked him by ball. Meow meow, go side and think tail. Minnie, Cookie, Titi playing, don't disturb us. Yoongi snatched the ball from his hand. You little chick, no more playing, go inside and study. Cook snatched the ball from his hand. Meow meow, we already completed all the work. We aren't lazy like meow meow, we are good boys. Yoongi, you aren't good boys, you three are devils. Meow meow, are you seeing horns on our head that you are calling us devils? Yoongi, you three are born devils. You don't need any horns. Now give me back my ball. T took the ball from Cook's hand. If you want ball, then catch us. Ran from there. Women Cook were running here and there with the ball. Yoongi was running behind them to take back his ball. Jin, their eldest, Hyang was watching them by sitting in the balcony. He was sipping his coffee by giggling. Just then a boy called him. Hobie, Hyang, what happened? You are giggling? Jin looked at him. You changed your clothes? Very good. Gave him his coffee. Hobie, thank you, Hyang. Jin, how was your day? Hobie, don't ask, Hyang. It was too hectic. Being a doctor is a stressful job. I'm so tired. Sometimes I think I can't do it anymore. Jin, don't say this. It was your dream. Very few people are able to fulfill their dreams. You recently joined the hospital. Give yourself some time. I'm sure very soon you will be habitual of this and about your stress. So I have a remedy for this. Hobby, what remedy? Jin, just look outside. You will forget your all this stress and tension. Hobby looked at Yoongi and Women Cook. What's this, Yang? They are playing football by basketball? Jin, Yoongi was playing the basketball and they came and snatched his ball and started playing football by it. Yoongi was trying to get back his ball, but these three are disturbing him. Hobby, see, now Yoongi was laying on the ground, then they don't wanna play. Jin, now they will lay down on him. Hobby, so Women Cook jumped on Yoongi. These three are so naughty, neither they let him play nor rest. Hobby and Jin were enjoying their coffee while talking and watching Women Cook's naughtiness. June came there by hearing their laughs and saw they both were laughing hard. June, you both are laughing so loud. Jin looked at him. Is there any tax on laughing? I guess we can laugh as much as we want. June, when did I say this? But laughing without any reason is crazy person sign. Hobby, who said that we are laughing without any reason? Just look at outside, you will know why we were laughing. June looked outside and found Women Cook were laying on Yoongi and Yoongi was struggling to move. June, what are they doing? Jin, their favorite work, irritating Yoongi. Hobby, June, you shouldn't let them play there early. You should teach them more. June, what should I teach them? They quickly finished their homework and learned whatever I told them and quickly ran to disturb Yoongi. They knew Yoongi's schedule very well. Hobby, poor Yoongi, I'm feeling pity on him. He became their toy. June, no need to feel pity on him. He isn't less than them. Jin, why? I never saw him doing any mischiefs. June, he pulled out all the ears from their football. He removed the small chairs in his rooms. He hid strawberries, cheese balls, and banana milk. Hobby, they aren't innocent too. They always eat his tangies and splashed skin's juice in Yoongi's eyes, then ran away. Jin, they all are equal. I never saw Yoongi this much happy before. Just look at him, how happily he is laughing. They all saw Women Cook were tickling Yoongi and he was laughing his heart out. Seeing his smile, everyone smiled. Hoping they all are such a tease. They aren't giving him a chance to breathe. June, how's Yoongi doing in his school? June, just like you said, I tried to talk with him. He said he's doing good. He doesn't has any problem. He only replied me and ran away from there. I don't understand why he is this much scared from me. Hobby, forget about him. Here I'm scared from you. You don't have any control over your anger. Didn't you forget how you punish him? June, it was his fault. He shouldn't bunk his class. His teacher complained to me. Jin, it was his friend's fault. They forced him to do this, but you went on very harsh on him. You didn't let him drink water and food. June, it was your misconception. Yeah, these three naughty kids already fed him food and dinner. Hobby, because they don't want to see Yoongi suffering. They loved him a lot. Only they have right to disturb Yoongi. If anyone else dared, then they don't hesitate to fight with them. Jin, Once I was very mad on Yoongi and told him that I will not prepare his food. Then these three hide my pink frying pan. When I made food for Yoongi, then they returned my pink frying pan. Hobie, do you remember when I scolded Yoongi for wetting in rain? Then these three put living frogs in my bags. Only I know how I'm alive after that incident. June, your incident was decent. Did you remember mine? When I punished Yoongi for getting low marks the next day, I have very important meeting. Hobie, who can forget that incident? They cut your entire clothes. You had nothing to wear. Then Jin Hyang gave you his suit to wear. In short, if anyone dare to trouble Yoongi except them, then they won't leave him. They are his saviors. June, it's good that their school buildings are different. Otherwise, nobody will save my teachers from these devils. Time skipped after a few days. It was lunch break. Yoongi brought his lunch and sat on the corner seat. He just transferred here few days before, so he doesn't has any friend. He is an introvert. Yoongi, finally I can eat my lunch. About to eat. Boy one snatched his lunch plate. It's so tasty. Yoongi looked at him. Buy your own meal. It's mine. Boy 2, it was yours, but now it's ours. Go and buy 2 more lunch. We are hungry as well as. Yoongi, why do I buy your lunch? Don't you have legs? Boy 3 grabbed his throat. We don't like the boys who dare to open their mouth in front of us. If you want to study here, then you have to obey us. Otherwise, tighten his grip. Yoongi tried to remove his hand. Leave me. Boy 1, leave him. Boy 3, as you say, left Yoongi's throat and Yoongi started coughing. Boy 2, have you learned your lesson or want full demo? Yoongi, why are you doing this with me? What did I do with you? Boy 1, nothing. Our old servant was transferred into the school, so we choose you as our new servant. Yoongi, you can't bully me. Bullying isn't allowed. I will complain to teachers. Boy 1, laugh. My dad is trusty and Hyang is a teacher. Do you think you can do anything to me? Yoongi, I will complain to principal, sir. Boy 1, are you deep? Didn't you hear that my dad is a trustee? He can remove principal too if he dare to do anything against me. Yoongi, in mind, no, I can't do this. Junhyang got his principal's post by his hard work. I can't ruin his hard work like this. I should obey them. Boy 2, what are you thinking? There is no way to escape from us. It would be better if you accept your fate and become a servant. Otherwise, I know very well how to make you obey us. Threatened him. Poor Yoongi didn't have any other choice rather than obeying him. Time skipped after a week. Yoongi's condition was getting worse because of his bullies. They were in high school, so their bullies was limited with doing their work, carry their bags, buy their foods and calling them sir. But because of all these things, he couldn't concentrate on his studies. He wasn't 10th but did the homework of class 12th. For that he had to do so much hard work. He can't ask help from June because he didn't want anyone know about this matter. He even hid this from women cook too. Yoongi was tensed. He started skipping his lunch because he brought lunch for others by his money. He didn't ask extra money from Jin, but nothing can. hidden by women cooks' spying eyes. They found out about Yoongi's bullies and decided to teach them a lesson in their language. For that, they all were preparing their school bags. Jimin, Titi, did you pack your bag? Yes, Minnie, Titi is ready. Jimin, Minnie is also ready. Cook, and Cookie is also ready. Hide something in his bag. Cookie, what did you hide in your bag? Cook, surprise gift for them. होती है तो टपला meow meow. Yoongi, tomorrow they will know with whom they dare to mess. Cook, we are coming. Just wait for us. Time skipped next day. It was Yoongi's police free period. They were in high school's backside where very few students come. They spent their free time here. It was women cook's lunch break. They sneaked into high school building as it was lecture time, so no one noticed them. By searching bullies, they reached at school's backside where all three bullies were smoking while laughing. Minnie, what is this? Jimin, maybe any new type of food? Cook, food? But Cookie never showed this type of food. Titi will say Hoba to buy us this food. Jimin, see smoke is coming out from their mouth. Cook, it looks interesting food. Cookie will say to Jinny to prepare this tasty and unique food. Now let's go and teach them a lesson. Jimin, but they are eating their food now. Jinny said never disturb anyone when they are eating. It's bad manners. Cook, Minnie, they are bad boys. They double that meow meow. It's not the time to think about good things. Let's attack. Hey, you bad boys. Boy 1, who are you, kid? Have you forgotten your classroom? It's high school building, not elementary. Boy 2, come, let me drop you at your class. Cook, we didn't forget anything, but you have forgotten something which we would come to remind you all. Boy 3, you little boy, you this much small and talking like an old man. Jimin, you people will become old men when we teach you your lesson. Boy 1 threw a cigarette. Oh really, you little kid, don't forget your limits. Cook, we know our limits. We came here to remind you all your limits. Let's attack. Before those three boys understand what's happening here, women cook attack on them by their weapons. When they all were talking with Cook, Jimin tied their legs with the help of rope. As soon as they took a step, they fell on the ground and Jimin started hitting them by a long wooden ruler, which he stole from Joon's room. Cook was punching them by his boxing gloves, which Jin brought for him. He was beating them by his toy sword, which Hobie brought for him. Women Cook came here with full preparation. Don't go on Women Cook's age. They were only 5 years old. But when it comes to take revenge, they became real devils and can become beasts. Bullies can't scream and call anyone for their help. They put green chilies in their mouth. The cook were jumping on their back like they are on a trampoline. Jimin saw cigarette small pieces which were still burning. He carefully brought that and put on their hands. Jin said we shouldn't leave our food. It's the disrespect of food. Now finish this tasty food. Innocently placed the cigarette on their palm. Boys screamed, "Ah!" Cook said on them, "You all dare to double and meow meow na. Now you will regret on your decision." He turned on the trimmer and removed all the boys' hairs from middle. Hearing their voice, few teachers came there and saw 3 boys were laying on the ground. Cook was sitting on them. T was sitting beside Cook and Jimin was standing in front of them and collecting their hairs on paper bags by his tiny baby hands. Teachers were shocked to see this. Somehow they separated T Cook from the boys and took them in the principal's office. June was shocked to see them when teachers told him entire things. He was about to pass out. He was very angry, but he had to fulfill his principal's responsibility too. So he called boys' parents and Jin and Hobie. After a few minutes, everyone arrived and saw women Cook and boys. June, mad. "What were you 3 doing in high school building, and that too with your bags?" Women Cook stayed silent, which added fuel in his anger. "So now you won't speak, Hobie, "I'm sorry, sir, but please don't shout. They are already very scared." June, scared? "Are you sure, Mr. Kim? Just look at those 3 boys' condition." Jin, "I know my kids are naughty, but they can't do this without any reason. I'm sure the first 3 did something." June looked at them. "What did you do with him?" Boy 1, "We didn't do anything to them, sir. We saw them first time." "Yes, they're saying that they didn't know us did trouble and meow meow, so we came here to teach them a lesson." Women Cook told them everything. June called Yoongi and he admitted the truth. Boys' parents were very embarrassed over their children's act. All the boys apologized to Yoongi. Women Cook apologized too. After a long conversation, they all settled this matter. Time skipped at home. Right now, Women Cook and Yoongi were doing sit-ups and Namjin and Hobie were standing in front of them. June was still mad on them. June, "Hyang, we raised kids or monsters. Have you seen those 3 boys' condition?" Jin, "June, calm down." T, "Haven't you seen Meow Meow's condition? Those bad boys were bothering our Meow Meow. We only helped the Meow Meow." June, "This is how you should help. Can't you inform this to me? What do you think about yourself, Cook, "Why would we inform Junie? They dare to double our Meow Meow. Only we can teach them a lesson." June looked at Jimin. "And you little chick?" He was trimming their hairs, and instead of stopping him, "You are collecting their hairs in paper bags. What will you do with their hairs?" Jimin, "Minnie's teacher said we shouldn't dirty our school campus. We should help in cleaning. So Minnie was only cleaning the school campus." Hobie, "Oh, see, our Minnie is so thoughtful and you are scolding him. Now leave them. It's enough punishment for them." June, "Hyang, stop taking their side. If those boys were wrong, then whatever they did also so wrong. It comes under violence." Jin, "I know, but whatever they did just to protect Yoongi, we all know how protective they are for Yoongi. They didn't start their fight first. And you, Yoongi, these kids are only 5 years old, but they are very well aware of their rights. But you stayed silent. Don't you know, the one who suffers torture is greater than the one who commits torture? When we taught you this, we always taught to speak against wrong. We never taught you to bear. Don't be mute. Answer is why didn't you tell us, Yoongi? that hated me, that one of them's dad is a trustee. They will remove you from your post if I complain to you. I don't wanna ruin your hard work. June. Yoongi, how can you be so dumb? They can't do anything with me. I earned this post by my talent. Don't you do this again. Yoongi, I'm sorry, Hang. I promise I will never hide anything again. Hyang's forgive him and women cook too. Those three boys were this much scared from women cook that they maintained distance from Yoongi and never dared to disturb anyone else. Children are the best savior. They can annoy you, but when you needed them the most, they strongly stand for you and always ready to fight for you. You can hesitate and think about consequence, but they never think about the result. The end. Arthur's Note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. How was teenage Yoongi? It's a misconception that if a person is silent, then he is a weak and coward. It's not the truth. Introverts aren't cowards, they are just reserved. They are comfortable in their own world. Yoongi was very shy and overthinker. He always carried a baggage of his Hyang's principal post. He didn't want to ruin Joon's post. He was quiet, but women cook weren't. Indeed, they troubled Yoongi a lot, but they can't see anyone else trouble him except them. They beat the bullies without any fear. That's what kids are. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.